Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen and then find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is visible right over here. Once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Additionally, you also have the option to change or set up a schedule in here, meaning that once set up, you don't actually need to do anything. The device will turn the mode on and off for you. And you also have the option to customize what happens when you press on the toggle to manually turn it on. This option is set to run until you turn it off, meaning that when you enable your hotspot and forget about it, it's going to run indefinitely in the background. Personally, I don't like this, so I like to set it on a timer and set it to something like 4 hours, meaning that if I forget about it, the device will turn it off after 4 hours. And 4 hours, in my opinion, is long enough period of time that it will cover whatever you needed it for, plus maybe just a little bit of time extra, and if I forget, it's just going to turn itself off. Anyway, from there, once everything is set, you can just find a toggle and simply tap on it. Now with my timer options, it actually gives me the time at which it will turn itself off. And like I mentioned, I can do that myself as well by just tapping on a toggle. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.